This is the SAM XT Extremity Tourniquet by SAM Medical.
Lower extremity, self-aid.
To begin, locate the site of the injury.
When self-applying, insert the precision tab of the strap through the opening of the True Force buckle and slide the loop
About 2 to 3 inches above the wound. If applied over a garment, be sure to remove any solid objects on or inside the clothing. Next, grip the precision strap close to the buckle. Pull hard and steady against the True Force buckle until the strap stops. Depending on the environment, you may hear an audible click, indicating True Force is activated. The True Force buckle technology auto-locks by activating prongs, eliminating slack typically found in all other tourniquet applications. Maintaining tension, press the strap back upon itself to attach it in place. Do not cover windlass C-hooks. Twist the metal windlass rod until the bleeding stops. Secure the rod inside the windlass C-hook and confirm that bleeding has stopped. If bleeding persists, tighten SAM XT with additional twists of the windlass. If bleeding does not stop, apply a second SAM XT side by side next to the first. Secure the time band over the hook and record time of application. It is recommended to leave SAM XT in place until examined by a medical practitioner. To remove SAM XT, undo the time band, release the windlass from the hook, and untwist it. Lift the tab on the front of the True Force buckle to allow prongs to retract. Dispose of device per facility policy. To learn more, visit samxt.com.